Hi dear children, welcome back to the next session of the English. Yes children, in our previous class we have completed the lesson. Yes, a day in the jungle. So after that we have started our exercises. Exercises next to the next to the lesson. After the lesson completion we have so many exercises. So let us start with the exercises, children. Yes, I would like to introduce today possessive adjective. I would like to introduce possessive adjective. Yes, children, you have already learned about adjective. About adjective. What is an adjective, children? Yes, very good. Adjective is a describing word. Adjective is a describing word. Describing a word. The word which describes noun in a sentence. A word which describes noun in the sentence. Yes. So, as you already know about the adjective, today I would like to introduce possessive adjective. Introduce possessive adjective. Here the new word is for you. It's possessive. What is that? Possessive. If you know the meaning of the possessive, it is very easy for you to do the exercise, children. You can easily know what is possessive adjective. So, what is the meaning of possessive? Yes, possessive means it's ownership. Possessive means something shows about ownership. What we call it as? Yes, ownership. So, what is the possessive adjective? Let us see, children. Possessive adjective is an adjective to show ownership. To show ownership. About what? Yes, it shows about the ownership, but we should know what exactly about. What exactly about. Here, I would like to explain in detail. Let us see, children. Here, see, I have written for you clearly. Possessive adjective is used before a noun. Possessive adjective is used before a noun in a sentence. Before a noun in a sentence. We all know what is noun. Yes. Name of a person, place, people, thing. These are all nouns. If you find any noun in a sentence, before that, if you find any word about the ownership of a particular noun, that is, the word is possessive adjective. The word is possessive adjective. Yes. It tells us more about a noun in a sentence. It tells us more about a noun. Nouns, we all know the nouns. We are learning from standard 2. Yes. So, here the possessive adjective tells more about a noun. The third one is children. We do not add an apostrophe after a word. Suppose if you write a possessive adjective in a sentence, we should not use apostrophe. We should not use, this is called apostrophe. We should not use apostrophe for possessive adjective. Got it, children? Let me explain you once again. Yes, today's topic is possessive adjective. First of all, let us come to know what is adjective. Adjective is a describing word. Describing word which is used for nouns. That is describing a noun in a sentence. Here the possessive. Possessive means it's ownership. The meaning of possessive is ownership. Possessive adjective is an adjective to show ownership. To show ownership. Here, it is used before a noun in a sentence. The possessive adjective is used before a noun. Before a noun in a sentence. Second one. It tells us more about noun in a sentence. More about noun in a sentence. Yes. We do not add an apostrophe after a word. After writing the possessive adjective, the word, we should not add apostrophe. We should not add apostrophe to the word, children. So, let me explain you with the examples. Okay, children? Yes. So, look here, children. These are some examples for you. Okay? Yes. Before that, let me give you some words, some possessive adjectives. Some possessive adjectives. Yes. Possessive adjectives are my, are, your, his, her, its, and their, and their. These are the possessive adjectives which we used before a noun. Once again, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are the possessive adjectives which we use before a noun. Yes. Let us see some sentences. Okay? Here the first example. This is my dog. What is the first sentence, children? This is my dog. If you observe the first sentence, what is a noun here? Yes, in the first sentence, here the noun is a dog. Here the noun is a dog. So, the possessive adjectives are used before a noun. Remember, what is the first rule? The possessive adjectives are used before a noun. Here in the first sentence, if you observe, dog is a noun. So, before a noun, possessive adjective is used in the sentence. Yes. Anybody? Any guess? Anyone can say what is the possessive adjective used in the first sentence? Before the noun, dog. Yes, very good, children. Very good. My. My is a possessive adjective. Very good. My is a possessive adjective We just circle it. We just circle the possessive adjective in the first sentence, that is my. As we have already know that possessive adjectives tells more about the noun. More about the noun, and it shows the ownership. It shows the ownership. Here you can easily understand what is meant by the ownership. This is my dog. This is my dog. Here, my is, the dog is mine. Mine. The dog is mine. Here the dog is mine. It is my dog. That is, it means the dog belongs to me. The dog belongs to me. I am the owner of the dog. I am the owner of the dog. It shows the ownership. It shows the ownership. Yes, this is my dog. Here you can see the ownership. The dog is mine and this is my dog. My is a possessive adjective in the first sentence. Next, let us go to the second sentence. Okay, here it is. That is our house. That is our house. Quickly tell me what is a noun in the second sentence, children. Very good. House. House is a noun. So, what is used before the noun in the second sentence? Are. What is used? Are. So, what is are, children? Exactly, it is a possessive adjective. It is a possessive adjective. Very good. So, that is our house. It is again showing the ownership. Ownership of the house means that is our house. We are showing the ownership in the sentence. Understood? Yes. Let us see the third sentence, children. Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your pencil? Suppose, okay, children, let me tell you what is a let me tell you what is a noun in the third sentence. Pencil. Let us underline the noun, that is pencil. What is used before a noun pencil? Your. Your. What is used? Your. So let us circle your. Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your pencil? Here the your is possessive adjective which shows the possessiveness, that is the ownership of a pencil. Your pencil. It is showing the ownership of the pencil. Can I borrow your pencil? Your is a possessive adjective in the sentence which is used before noun. Before noun in a sentence. Let us see the fourth sentence, children. Fourth example. The cat is drinking milk from its bowl. The cat is drinking milk from its bowl. Yes. If you see here, the bowl is a noun. Bowl is a noun. Before a noun, what is used, children? Its. What is used? Its. Here its is a possessive adjective. Its is a possessive adjective. Very good. The cat is drinking milk from its bowl. From its bowl. Again, here it is showing the ownership. Its. It shows the ownership of a noun. Okay. The third rule, as I have told you, we do not add an apostrophe after a word. Apostrophe. Here, see in the first sentence, my, our, your, its. Any apostrophe is used? No. No apostrophe is used after the possessive adjective. Understood? Yes, very good. Hope everyone got it. What is possessive adjective? Let me explain once again. Understood? Yes. Today's topic is possessive adjective. Adjective is a describing word. Possessive adjective is an adjective to show ownership. To show ownership of a noun. Ownership of a noun. Yes. Possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. And their. Quickly go through the examples. This is my dog. My is a possessive adjective. That is our house. Our is a possessive adjective. Can I borrow your pencil? Your is a possessive adjective in the third sentence. The cat is drinking milk from its bowl. Again, its is a possessive adjective used without apostrophe. Used without using any apostrophe. So, the possessive adjective is used before a noun. That is the first rule. It tells us more about a noun in the sentence is a second rule. We do not add an apostrophe after a word is a third rule about the possessive adjective. Hope everyone have understood clearly. When you talk, you can easily find out possessive adjectives, children. Okay. In my previous video, I have asked you some question that name some baby animals. Baby animals. Yes. Have you done it or not, children? Yes. Very good. I know my children are smart. I'm sure they follow the instructions of the teacher. Good children. So let me tell you some babies. Okay? Dog, puppy, pig, piglet or pigling, goat, lamb. Yes. Some more. Yes. Tiger, cub. Yes, children. Very good. These are some examples for you. Yes. Hope everyone got it. What is possessive adjective? Let me quickly give you. I'll just read out a sentence. Let me tell you what we should write in the blank. Okay? She is from Africa. Dash name is, blank name is Abba. She is from Africa. blank. Name is Aba. In the blank, what we should write? Yes, her name is Aba. What we should write? Her name is Aba. Yes. She is from Africa. Her name is Aba. Her is a possessive adjective. I lost one of my dash shoes in the forest. I lost one of dash shoes. One of my shoes. I lost one of my shoes. Here my is a possessive adjective. The third sentence. You need to hurry. Dash is leaving. Dash bus is leaving. Yes, very good. Your bus is leaving. Your bus is leaving. Your. Third one is your. Your is a possessive adjective. Very good, children. So, let us meet in the next session, children. Thank you.